Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, we're going to create a script to control the movement of our camera so that it follows our player around. The advantages of this is because we're now flipping our player, the camera will not flip when the player moves left to right. So to do this, we're going to right-click on our scripts folder. We're going to go to create and we're going to create a new C# script. I'm going to name this script camera follow. And then we're going to open this script up. So we're not going to be using void start in this script, so I'm simply going to delete those lines. And then the first thing we're going to do is we're going to create a public variable. So we're going to create public, and we're going to be looking for a game object. And this will allow us to attach our player into this script. So I'm going to name this game object as player. Now with this, I'm going to jump into the void update function. And we want to be controlling the position of the camera. So we're going to use the transform.position. And we're going to create a new vector3. Of course, we're going to have three options for it. So what we're going to be using is we're going to be using the player variable. And we're going to be collecting its transform.position on the x-axis. And we're going to do the same thing for the y-axis. We're going to be collecting the player.transform.position.y. And this time I'm going to add 1, so the camera sits a little bit lower. And of course, we want to be doing this for the z-axis as well. And this time I'm going to subtract 10 from this so the camera faces back far enough so that we can see what's happening in our scene. So with that, I'm going to save this script. I'm going to jump back into Unity. And we have a small problem. Let's see. Operator minus cannot be an integer. Because I have not added the .z position. So I'll save that. I'm going to select my main camera here, and I'm going to get my camera follow script and add it. And you'll see here the player game object. So I'll be able to select our player object and add that there. So you can now see that says player. And if we jump into play mode, our camera now should hopefully follow the character. There we go. And the camera doesn't flip when our player now flips directions. Alright, ladies and gents, that's it for this video. Catch you in the next one.